Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. In this video, I am going to discuss about client-server system for mail casting. It is our abstract. This project deals with the mailing system. This project is having different modules like new user creation, sign up form, and already existing user can log into the mailing system and named it as sign in form. Emailing system which has been privatized and is existing in different forms like Hotmail, Freemail, Cybermail. Mainly, the project will give the easy way to create a new account and sending mails with free of cost. Email is one of the most commonly used communication mechanisms. Most of the recipient and sender desire secure email exchange. Senders want to make sure that the recipient is really the intended recipient and the message arrives to the recipient confidently. On the other hand, recipient want to make sure that the sender is the entity who it claims to be and the arrived message have been maliciously modified and examined during transmission. The Internet does not have a director to manage or control it. Neither does it belong to a private or governmental entity. The majority of its services and resources are offered on a free basis to its users. It is our flow diagram. If you are a new user, you may create a new account. After creating the account, you log in with your mail ID and password. If you are an existing user, you log in with your email address and password. After login, if you want to send the mail to the client, you will enter their mail address and enter the subject and the message and send the mail. If there is any error in the mail address, you will get the error notification and you will enter the correct mail address. If you want to see the inbox mail, you will click the inbox and view the mail. If you want to see the full details about the mail, you may click the mail and view the from address to address, date, time and message. And also, if you want to see the outbox mail, you may click the outbox and view the outbox mails. By clicking the mail, you may see the to mail address, from mail address and message, date, time, etc. If you want to see the profile information, you may click the profile and view the personal informations like mail address, first name, last name, mobile number, gender, etc. Now we see our output. First go to the home page and run the file. If you are a new user, you may click the create an account button. After entering all the details, you may click the sign up button. After sign up, you will log in with your mail ID and password. After entering the details, you may click the sign up button. You will go to the home page. If you want to compose the new mail to someone means you will click the compose mail option and enter the receiver mail ID. And enter the subject. After entering the message, you may click the send button. The message will send successfully. If you want to see the outbox mails, you will click the outbox and view the outbox mails. By clicking this, you will view the full details about the mail. If you want to see the inbox mail, you will click here and view the inbox mails. By clicking here, you will see the full message. If you want to see your profile information, you will click here and view their profile information like first name, second name, email ID, password, etc. If you want to log out, you will click here.